Hey guys, this is MTP Tech and today we're unboxing MacBook Pro 16-inch. There's the box. Okay. Yeah, this is the 2019 version. Yeah. I like the colorful box of this MacBook. There we go. Moment of truth. No box fart. No box fart, sorry. Yeah, let's just put this to the side. There's the computer itself. Damn. Sleek computer. There's cable and the manual. Yeah, you can open up and take them. Here we have service manual, just the user guide, and of course these stickers, the black stickers. Nice, I like the black stickers. And nothing over there. Okay, we got charger. Wonder how many watts is this? We can take a look at the other side of the box. It's the this is the, wow, 96 watts. Yeah, 96 watts. Cool, cool. And that's it. That was the unboxing of MacBook Pro. Okay, take it out of the packaging. Just, yeah, like this. Yeah. Yep. And open it up. Try it with one hand, yes, with one hand. And take the paper out. And it should boot. Nice, the legendary sound. And here we go. We did it, guys. We did it. And that's Apple for you guys. Eat apple a day, keep your doctors away. Apple on an apple. It's an apple on an apple. If you like this video, press like. If you have any questions about this Mac,
trykk bare til utas hvis du vil bruke norsk som hovedspråk.
To use English as the main language.
choose English for the main language and subscribe for my channel.
Para usar
Bye.
español de España como el idioma principal, pulsa la tecla intro.